skillful judges, and the curious minds in the room, I greet you with excitement. This is Nancy Dhama here in front of you to give a presentation on the topic which is both futuristic and deeply fascinating. That is, the quantum age begins potentials and challenges. Now, attentive everyone, those who are presented here. Imagine a world where impossible becomes possible. Your questions are solved just in seconds and supercomputer is taking billions of years to solve that. The world where communication is unhackable and medical diagnosis is pinpoint accurate. Just as the discovery of the fire, metal and electricity has changed everything before, this quantum age is going to redefine the future. So what exactly is this quantum age? It is the period where quantum mechanics starts to influence your everyday life through communication, technology, networking, medicine and human understanding. Have you ever wondered about how your this mobile phone works? Actually, your mobile phone uses bits which can be only 0 and 1 at the same time. But a quantum computer uses square bits which can be both 0 and 1 simultaneously. And this quantum property is known as superposition and it helps to explore millions of possibilities simultaneously. Think of it like this. If a regular coin is like a bit, which can be either 0 or 1. But a qubit is like a spinning coin, which is both heads and tails until it's lands. Now, this is not theory anymore. In December 2024, Google has introduced its new quantum chip known as Willow, which has the ability to solve the most complex problem just in 5 minutes. And the supercomputer is taking 10 raised to power 24, means 24 zeros after 10 to solve that. Just imagine how powerful this quantum computer is. Now let us move to the potentials of the quantum age. The very first one is quantum computing. As I have told you that quantum computer uses square bits which can be both 0 and 1 at the same time and it will help us to revolutionize cryptography, drug discovery, climate modeling and the finance and the business. Moving on to the second, which is quantum communication. It involves something called quantum entanglement where two particles are linked to each other no matter how far they are. And the strange phenomenon could make the communication unhackable in the future, as interference would be suddenly noticeable. Then third one is quantum sensing and imaging. Quantum computers can detect even a very small changes which a supercomputer can never. And it will help us in medical diagnosis, earthquake prediction and as the navigation system. Here, these were some of the potentials of the quantum age, which promises a future that is more secure and more concerned than ever before. Let's talk about the challenges of the quantum age. As we all know that this quantum age is a very powerful age, so it possesses some serious challenges also. Like the first one is technical complexity. Qubits are extremely fragile. They can be affected by the slightest change in the temperature or light. So to build a stable quantum system, we require huge resources, massive investment and extreme condition. Then the second challenge is cybersecurity concern. Ironically, quantum computer will make the communication more secure in the future, but it also poses a threat to the present encryption method. And if it is fall in the wrong hands, then the results would be very dangerous. Then the third one is social and ethical issues. So I want to ask a question from you. Who will have the power on these quantum computers? Will it be in the hand of few corporations or few countries? Will developing nation left behind? So if this happens, then it could widen the gap between rich and the poor and the powerful and the powerless. Here are some more ethical questions like, should we allow AI to predict our life and death? Should we allow AI to become more intelligent than us? So this answer does not require scientists, but all of us to be involved. Then the fourth one is job displacement. As AI can do the work of thousands of people at the same time, so it can displace the people from their job. So we should prepare our youth with the skills that cannot be replaced by these machines. Now, moving to the conclusion, quantum age is not a distant dream. It has already begun. Companies like IBM, Google, and software are already developing their quantum computers. We are the first generation to witness its dawn, and as a being of this generation, it's our duty to ensure that this powerful quantum tool is not just to divide but to unite, not to dominate but to uplift the humanity. So let us all be ready to use this powerful quantum tool for the peace, progress and the betterment of life on the earth. This was all from my side. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you and have a nice day.